For new moms who choose to breastfeed, figuring out a position that allows you to be comfortable and lets your baby get a good latch can be a challenge. In this video, we discuss 5 different breastfeeding positions to try. Number 1. Cradle position. Your baby is positioned in your arm closest to the side your baby is feeding on. Rest your baby's head in the crook of your elbow. Baby is tummy to tummy, horizontally across your torso. Number 2. Cross cradle position. Similar to the cradle position, except your baby's body is positioned tummy to tummy, horizontally across your torso. Mom, support your breast with the hand on the feeding side, right breast, right hand, left breast, left hand. Opposite arm supports your baby with a thumb and forefinger placed behind the baby's head. Number 3. Side lying position. Lie down on a bed or a large flat surface. Place your baby next to you, with your tummy facing your baby's tummy. Align your baby's head with your breast. This is a great position for the overly tired mom. Number 4. Football position. Place your baby's body along the side of your body under your arm. Direct your breast into your baby's mouth with the opposite hand. 5. Laid back position. This position is best done in a reclined position. Position your baby diagonally across your torso tummy to tummy. The breast you use to feed your baby should be the hand used to cradle and support your baby. Breastfeeding should be a comfortable experience for both mom and baby. And you always want to make sure you are not smothering your baby with your breast, and their airway is clear. It's good to remember, what worked when your baby was a newborn may change as your baby gets bigger, and positions may change. So hey, tell us your favorite breastfeeding position in the comments section below. If you have any suggestions on the next video topic, you can let us know. And thanks for watching, Tiny Tribe parents. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content that is on the way.